today is, I think, a day after Ulysses typhoon. So right now,
we're going to Caliraya.
all our things are packed. Ayan na po lahat. And we're ready to go. On the way na kami ngayon, and we are now at C5. So, hindi naman masyadong matraffic, and apat lang kami right now sa car. And
Except for Tita Kate.
Tita
She's
Kate.
not here.
Yeah, Tita Kate is not here. And dadaanan lang namin yung pinsan ni Raden. Dadaanan lang namin si Prince John. Good morning! It's day 2 right now, and what, Ryan? How was your sleep? The rain was so hard, right? Last night, pabugso-bugso pala.
Seconds or less.
So right now, nandito kami, nilagay namin lahat yung gamit kasi it was raining last night.
We just have.
Diyan na lang kaya yan sa gilid.
Hold on.
I want to pee.
So,
I want
parang dalawa lang kami nag-camp today. And mamaya, bibili kami ng water kasi konti na lang yung water. And nagluluto ako ngayon ng rice. At kanina, nagluto ako ng egg at saka corned beef. And may hot water kami. Hindi pa nilagay dito. So today is day 2, our second day here in Caliraya Surf Camp. For the day, one filter.
I'm stuck with a rock.
Black coffee for the morning.
Mama. Mama.
So, yung prepare namin ngayon guys ay tilapia. Grill kami ng tilapia, and we prepare to grill the barbecue kasi nga baka uulan na naman mamayang gabi. Busog na sa tilapia. Ngahilaw.
Sa tilapyang hilaw.
Dambuhalang anak. Naramon dambuhalang anak. Among baby.
Munching. Pagkarong mo.
Baby, nagpilit.
Pagkarong mo. Buwat ano mo.
Ay, lalaki. Nakalakasan anak.
Ma.
Baby.
Hello. bagong container stuff. Air conditioned. Very nice. Toilet. Female toilet shower. Not bad. There's two lavatories. And maybe 2, 3 toilet. No, 3 showers. 4 shower rooms. Male. There you go. And 2 lavatories. 2, 3, 4 shower. Not bad. And then toilet. Quick heat fan. And toilet, of course. Not bad. Now there's a pair of lavatories, sorry. Water pump. And there's a set of male. Oh. That's the best spot, I think.
Hi guys, today is day 3 and today magpalipad lang kami ng drone. Ipapaikot lang namin. Shared our breakfasts and kagabi maulan na naman and the rain was so hard. That's why nagkalat yung namin gamit sa labas. So, patutuyin lang namin saglit yung tent and I think mamaya na naman uulan kasi medyo makulimlim dun sa may unahan. So, these are the food that we prepared this morning. Good morning, guys. Here we have our spam, the egg, and our noodles. And we also have our favorite corned beef. Ayun, guys. So, yun.
What's it cooking, Mama?
Chicken burger. Look at this because I don't have a good pan.
Nagtulo-tulo.
Leave it there.
Cooking and look at the view while cooking.
No.